What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today I am doing one of my little open cup swipey doos across a white background. So the colors we're using for this are kind of an interesting palette. Alright, I'm using dioxazine purple, emerald green, this is fluorescent green, fluorescent orange is a hot color, and then a small amount of this white. You can't really even see it because it's such a small amount. All this is going to be done on a white base. We're going to do one of our little open cups where we drag it across the canvas and blow it out with the silicone straw. And that is what we are doing today. So I hope every one of you is having a wonderful time. I hope everybody's had a great weekend this weekend. And I also hope everybody is getting value from that free little ebook I sent you guys. For those of you that opted into it, I just want to give you guys as much value as I can and help you, create and do anything with fluid art that you wanted to do, because it's important. Because for me, this is a big, huge outlet for creativity. I can kind of get into my Zen space and just enjoy the day, and that's super healthy for everybody. So I feel like everybody should have the opportunity to do that, and if I can help you along in that, I love to be able to do that. So right now we're just slapping the base coat on. There's a ton of bubbles in it. As you know, the Artist Loft white paint, there's something wrong with it. I know Gina DeLuca's been talking about it a whole lot. So right now, me and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White are going through a messy separation. I mean, they just aren't the same anymore. They're not like they used to be. We used to get along and all that stuff, and now I feel like we're growing apart. So I'm using my Amsterdam Flow Acrylic. What the heck? I'm using Amsterdam white as my base and my white color. Just gonna pop these surface bubbles in here. And we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start in this corner. Now I'm gonna try to keep some negative space in those two areas. But I know already that I want to start with this really deep purple color. Alright, and the purple, let's have a nice slow gradient into the deeper colors. And then have a nice pop of that orange, hopefully towards this section. All my colors are mixed 5-2-1 with Floetrol to paint. And has maybe, these cups are 3-ounce cups. So in each one of the 3-ounce cups, if it's almost all the way full, then I have 2 to 4 drops of the coconut oil hair serum in it. All right, let's start. Oh my goodness. That looks so nice already. Dang. Would you look at that? The cells are just exploding from this one. Alright, this is crazy. Okay. Alright. And I got my orange where I was hoping to get it. But we're going to continue, And I'm just going to layer them the same way. Now I'm letting them churn. As you can see, they're pushing through the top layer there. Now I know there's already plenty of orange in there, so I just don't want to overfill the cup. Alright, here we go. That's insane. The cells are just so pretty right now. Alright. So we're gonna add a bit more orange. a bit more white. As you're seeing some of that white in there, not much. I feel like I don't need that much white because, I mean, we got the neon green and the orange and the yellow. Or not yellow, neon green and neon orange. So those are gonna give me plenty of contrast. Yeah, lime green. This is kind of crazy. Wow. But just the colors. I mean, I might even stop it here and tilt it slightly and kind of bring it towards that corner and expand some of this that's going on. Actually, that is what I'm going to do. Because I really like what's going on here. All right. That looks so cool. It's what I wanted too, because I wanted that deep purple on as my base to kind of work its way out towards the perimeter. That's really cool. All right, let's see what we can get. I'm gonna lose a little bit of it, but I'm okay with that. Just tilt it ever so slowly. The paint's super thin, so if you stretch it too fast, it's gonna mess everything up. So just take your time with it. There is no rush, y'all. Alright, I know I'm getting some of that off the corner. I'm alright with that. And then just gonna let it continue to push towards that edge till I get to a point that I like, which is right about there, actually. Yeah, it's giving me some really cool marbling effects in that. I love this, y'all. This is so cool. What? Goodness, look at that. All right. So it's already doing some of this little feathering stuff, but I'm gonna take my silicone straw and I'm gonna do a little bit more because I definitely want to continue to work this a little bit. Just finding a good starting point is where I need to go. I'm gonna try to bring a little bit of this green towards that purple, but I kind of like this negative space. I don't want to distort that too much. Perfect. All right, let me turn this thing so I can get a better angle at it. Yeah, the colors in this thing are just crazy. I'm happy. I'm very happy with what I'm seeing so far. So now just, it's that thing we all struggle with, knowing when to stop, you know what I mean? It's the hardest part for me. That's where it's gonna end right there. Some of the colors in this just like, man. I'm super happy with this. I really am. But I'm gonna bring you guys down so we can all check this out. But this came out gorgeous. Starting down here towards my favorite area. Look at this thing. Big old juicy cells. Nice lacing in there. All the colors are just playing super well with each other. I absolutely love this one.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.